Y'all, I got my first PR box. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I was sitting there trying to figure out, like, what I got coming from Texas. Y'all, I got my first PR box. We moving on up in 2022, y'all. Like, what? What? So for those that don't know, I am officially on the team for verse planning, and you can use my code here on the screen when you go and shop. They are dropping something new on January 1st. You don't want to miss out on it, so go ahead, get your carts ready, okay? But let's go ahead and open up this box so we can see what we got. Okay, let me. Whew. Okay, she got the nerves. She got the nerves. She got the nerves. Oh. Hoo hoo hoo. So here is the card. That's cute. It's like a little thing so you can like hang it as a tag. On the back, it does have my personal code to use as well as the code for, you know, all of my subscribers and followers to use. So again, I'll put that here on the screen for you guys. Make sure you go ahead and check it out. But yes, I'm so excited. So excited. Okay. Let's look at the goodies. Okay, so we got some stickers up here on top. Oh, we got a lot of stickers too. Okay. So we just going to go as it come, all right? All right, here we got the sheet here with like some donuts and some marshmallows. Super cute. Sweet success, yes, you candy, do not worry, like that. Positive, believe, love, and be mellow. Super cute. These are some long boxes here. This is like, it kind of feels like a vinyl. Like, if I'm gonna compare it, like some of the stickers that I got from the Gooseby twins, as well as I believe it was Papershire. This is how this kind of feels to me. So I'll leave definitely on the screen what type of paper it is. This is super cute. Then this one here is very on trend for fall. You got the mushroom caps and the acorns and the leaves and the boxes. Super cute. You got your little rainbow here, some hearts, these little swatches with words. This still looks on trend to be very fall. So you got some flags that you can kind of make a list. You got Monday through Sunday, to-dos, goals, remember to buy. Then here we got some dates. So we got our dates. We got 3 sets, 3 different colors. And then you also got these other little icons that you kind of use. Super cute. Then here we got some quotes. If life was easy, where will all the adventure be? Yup, it does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Life is like a roller coaster. It has its ups and downs, but it's your choice to scream or enjoy the ride. Yup, even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. A girl should be 2 things, who and what she wants. Amen. You had all the power all along, my dear. If you're not making mistakes and you're not making decisions, one day or day one is your decision. So that's super cute. That's the quotes. Then here we got like a bunch of like little swatches, and then the edges are, you know, they are kind of like torn, like a torn piece of washi. So that's super cute. So you could probably put like different headers and stuff like on here, depending on how you wanted to use them. These would be good for like a to-do list, or if I'm like cropping out a sheet with a bunch of different items, I can use each of these as a header. So that's super cute. And this is in like this pink purple colorway. We got the dials. Now look how big this dial is, y'all. In comparison to my hand, look how big this. She tall. She's super tall and she's super cute. Okay, so this is the first dial. I'm gonna bring it closer so you guys can see all that detail. I'm super excited. I'm super excited. Like, this is the one thing I've been like eyeing in regards to verse planning, like these dolls. Okay. Oh, she's cute. She's very on trend for fall. Her cute little hat, her little nice little duster vest, and those boots. Like, Y'all, I need to go ahead and get my freaking thigh high boots and stop playing. I finally found a company that actually makes them, and they will actually fit because I have some thick calves, so typical boots don't work, and I don't really always like the ones that's just like big all the way around. Like I want some to be fitted, you know? But that's neither here nor there. She's super cute. Ooh, she's cute. So either I'm going to do something for my birthday and have this, and this is going to be me, or it's going to be something for like our, date night, maybe your anniversary or something like that. Super cute. And then you got some little heart decos. This is super cute. That's called Dazzled in Red. Okay, we got this little, self-care going here. So you got the yoga box. She's reading a book, getting her pedicure on, her like tray. Got a whole set of like champagne and wine glasses in here with her mask and cucumbers. So falling back in love with me. And then it says an empty tank will take you nowhere. Refuel hashtag. Super cute. Very pretty. Colors are super vibrant. I love the skin tone too. Like the brown is not crazy looking. I do like that. So that's great. This says unhappy chores. You know what? But I completely agree because I hate it. Super cute. So it says cook dinner or whatever. Ugh, folding. Clothes ghetto. Yup. Lord, if I'm a housekeeper, just say that. That's cute. Does something. How much to just buy new dishes? Yup. Miss Trash Day again. Lady, the plant is dying. Maybe water. Sweep and mop the flow. That is very cute. I like that. And you get like 4 of each of all of them. So that's super cute. Here we got some sticky notes. So you got this like skinnier long one and then a thicker one. And then you got those 2 there. Super cute. Then here you got some stickers to help get you ready. So you can mark when Verses goes live, when they got new releases. It says get it done, which is their handle there. Then you got dream big and you got this again. Super cute. Super cute. All right. And then here we got the little planner, and it got verse planning there. Verse planning on a shirt. My VIP code. And then you got some boxes here. Super cute. Oh, we got Mo. Oh my gosh. I got the planner. I was going to go and buy the planner too. Yo. It pays to wait, I guess. All right, so we going first start because I literally just watched the Crystalina Perspective here on YouTube do her unboxing, and she was talking about this planner. I was like, oh, that planner would be like pretty good to use. Child, listen. And she's talking about all the stickers you get with it. And look at this. Look at this. All right, so look, we got more girls. So sis is out there. Sis done got that good degree. Sis making that money. And sis is at the meeting. Like, listen, this would be super cute to make like a dashboard with her for like the wealth area in my A5. So boom, there we go. So that's the first set of stickers. And here we got girl working on her fitness. Working on her fitness. And then here she's looking like, babe, I love you. Sis is ready to travel. Absolutely, I'm ready for another trip. And then sis is on that vacation, sipping her coconut water, okay? Mind your business. Sip your coconut water. Boom. Love that. And I love how she's giving you, like, multiple skin tones, too. Like, super cute. And then this is the planner. Oh, my gosh. Look at her planner. So this is Get It Done 2022 Planner by Verse Planning. This is so cute. It's nice hardcover. You got your binding. The corners have the protectors, which is super great, and that's on both sides. And then you got your band to keep it closed. If you find it, put all your information there. Boom, bam. A love letter to myself. Love that. An area to do positive affirmations. I love this. This is super dope because we always talk about and we always see about doing affirmations, but this actually tells it a little bit more to you and what you're trying to put out into the universe. So I do love that. Then here you got 2 pages to do the vision board. My reasons to accomplish it all this year. Then you got your ideal life, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I had to make sure I was counting right, y'all. I just had coffee too, it didn't kick in. 7 areas to talk about. So you got family, financial, health, social, education, career, and character. Love that. And that character part especially, like, that's important. Then you got a weight loss tracker here. So you got your before and your after. Now you have here where you can like mark off how many pounds you lost. And this is like on par. I don't think I need to lose that many pounds, but I definitely need to lose some pounds that's listed here. Then here you have a mood tracker. This is great. I'm definitely going to be using this because, listen, I got to see if I can have markers with these colors and mark that off. But I'm definitely going to do this. This was something I was thinking about doing in my A5 setup. So perfect. I already got it here. I don't have to make another one. So perfection for me. Then you have a savings goals tracker. This is also really good. What I'm seeing is this is like an all-encompassing planner. You got a little bit of this. You got a little bit of that. I do like that. So here you have your 3 goals you can set. You have your goal amount, then your monthly or weekly deposit, and you can put your totals here. And then for each month, you got up to 5 deposits. You have your balance, and then you can write any notes that you have. And you have that all the way for the 12 months of next year, or whenever you decided to use this, if you wanted to wait. Then here you have your habit tracker. So you have your month, and then you can kind of like mark off each day that you're doing it, and then any notes that you have. So that would be really good if it was like one particular thing. And I think how I'm planning to use it, I think that would definitely work. Then you got a year at a glance. So you got all 12 of your months. Are you ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, sorry. Then here you got January. What's on your get it done list? What on your get it done list are you hoping to accomplish this month? Why can't I read? So then you got 3 lines here, and then you got some dot grids. So you could probably make like a mini vision board if you want to put some like important words or notes or things, you know, if you wanted to like elaborate on what you write up here. So that's really cool. Then here you have a month view, Sunday to Saturday. On the side here, you got priorities, to do, and notes. And then you have like a little vertical layout. So you got your 3 boxes. So you can kind of separate it out however you wanted it to. It does start this week, actually, when you're watching this. It actually starts this week, so that's cool. We got a little quote there. If you don't design your own life plan, chances are you'll fall into someone else's plan. And guess what? They had planned for you. Not Much by Jim Rowe. Very, very nice. So you got all of your weeks here. Looks like you got a different quote for each of the weeks. Love this. Then here at the back, you have a recap. Did you accomplish your goals? If your goal is going to take more time, did you take genuine steps towards the goal? Then what was successful? What obstacles did you have? And what do you need to improve? So really, really like that. And then it's going to repeat itself for February all the way into the end. So let's see here. We had November, December, and it goes all the way again to the 1st. So that's perfect. Then you got your December recap as well as your year recap, which is great because that's also important to recap the full year. And this will kind of help set you up for when it's time for you to do your goals for the following year. Then here's this free write. So you just got some area to write some notes, networking catalog, so you can put contacts or social media, anything like that. Then here you get a little nice note. Look at you. Congratulations on closing the year with success, learning experiences, and most importantly, life. We understand that it took an insurmountable worth of discipline, determination, vim, and vigor to withstand the adversities throughout the year, and we are beyond proud that you won. Yes, won. No matter how this year went for you, you're still here. We dedicated our time and effort to ensuring that our team, our supporters, and our customers achieve, whether that's big or small. We are thankful that you allow Get It Done 2022 to assist in all of the hard work you've done to make yourself better. To those who bought a house, had a baby, moved, got an apartment, rented a condo, got married, got a job promotion, saved some money, paid off debt, whether in full or partially, made a step towards a goal, failed but didn't give up, got healthier, lost weight, gained weight, whatever. We want to say congratulations. Whether this year's win was miniature or gigantic, I am beyond proud of you, and I wish you the tenacity and resilience to push through the upcoming year. When you purchased this planner, you knew you had something to get it done. If someone purchased it for you, they knew you had something to get done, and they believed you could. Remember, this is your doing. We are just assisting. The winner is and will always be you. Cheers to 2023. Love that. Really nice and good and affirming. And then we got some stickers back here. So you got important to do, some arrows, some circles, the little binder clips, weights, computers and cakes, deadline, you got this, me time, be your biggest fan, coffee, love, treat yourself, get it done, almost there, and boss lady. And then you got some tabs so you can kind of mark out your tabs. It's really cute. They even got the one for the free write, and then you got 2 blank ones in case you wanted to mark anything else. And then that is the end of the planner. Oh, I can't wait. I will be diving right into this today. So that's the next thing in my PR box. Ooh, okay. Looks like I got a pen. Y'all know we love a good pen. So it's like a nice little thing to keep it from being coming out. Okay, it's a twist. Okay, it's a twist. Probably like a ball mark. I like this like little soft thing. That's really cute. So I got a pen. I got some washi. Am I going to try? I'll try. No, it ain't going to work. And my tweezers are not nearby. But it's like a nice little striped. Looks like a green color. Super cute. And then I got a shirt. Okay. Yep, that's it. So this is what the shirt says. Verse planning. Ow. So I got me an official shirt. I'm a part of the squad, y'all. Hey, got the squad. Hey. Y'all, this was such a good PR box. I'm so excited to have this stuff. Oh my goodness. Y'all, that is my complete unboxing of my PR box. It's still so crazy to say that. OMG. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'll leave my code here on the screen for you guys to go ahead and check them out. The day that I am posting, the next day, they are having their new collection. It drops on the 1st. If you're watching this after the 1st, make sure you go ahead, run to that website. This is a collection I'm super excited about, and I'm also placing an order for it because, yes. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already so you can see me use all of my good things. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.